Earn over $100 a day selling online courses. No experience needed. Imagine waking up to money in your account, checking your phone on a hike and seeing sales notifications. That kind of passive income. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people, just like you, are making money online selling digital courses, even with zero teaching experience. Stick around, because I'll break down the actual steps, real earning potential, and how to start today. Even if you're a total beginner. This is legit internet income. Hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a drop. Let's be real, guys, the internet has changed the game. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy classroom and a teaching degree to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Today, it's all about online courses. These things are digital gold mines, my friends. You create them once, and I mean just once, and then they're yours to sell an unlimited number of times. People are hungry to learn new skills, they're searching for answers, and they're willing to pay for convenience and expertise. And get this. Some course creators are pulling in $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 a month just by packaging their knowledge into courses. Now, I'm not saying you'll be making $50,000 a month overnight, but even as a beginner, $100 a day is absolutely within your reach. Alright, let's break down exactly how to make this online course thing work for you, step by step. Step 1, pick your winning topic. This is where you figure out what you're going to teach. And the key here is to choose a topic that people are already searching for. Think about it. You don't want to create a course that nobody wants, right? Choose something you know just a little more than the average person. It could be Excel tips, side hustles, weight loss, productivity hacks, literally anything that people are already looking up online. Step 2, validate your idea. This is where you do a little detective work to make sure there's actually a market for your course. And here's a secret. If you find other people selling similar courses, that's a good thing. It means people are buying. Look for courses with high ratings and thousands of students. That's your green light that you're on to something hot. Step 3, create your course. No fancy gear needed. This is where you actually put your knowledge into course format. And the best part? You don't need to be a Hollywood producer to create amazing content. You can break your course into short, bite-sized lessons, like 5 to 10 minutes each. Use slides, screen recordings, or even just your phone camera. Clear and helpful content beats fancy production any day of the week. Step 4, host your course online. Now it's time to get your course out into the world. Platforms like Teachable, Podia, and even Gumroad make it ridiculously easy to upload your course and start selling. You set the price. $29, $99, $199, whatever you think your knowledge is worth. And the best part? Every time someone buys, the money goes straight into your account. Step 5, get traffic to your course. Now you need to let people know your course exists. Promote it on YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, email, Pinterest, wherever your ideal students hang out. Just focus on connecting with a few hundred true fans who are genuinely interested in what you have to teach. Okay, let's talk about the fun stuff. How much money you can actually make with online courses. Now, I'm not going to promise you'll be a millionaire overnight, but let's do some realistic math. Say you create a course and price it at $29. If just 5 people buy your course per day, that's $145 a day. That's over $4,000 per month, just from one course. Now imagine if you raise your price to $99. If you're still getting 5 sales a day, you're looking at nearly $15,000 per month. And that's just the beginning. Once your course is live, it's out there working for you 24/7. You can literally be sleeping, hiking, traveling, or just living your life while your course is making you money. Look, if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, if you're ready to take control of your time and your income, then selling digital courses could be your breakthrough. What unique knowledge or skills do you have that you can share with the world? What are you passionate about? That's your starting point. Guys, making money online is more possible than ever, but it all starts with taking action. If you're serious about building a legit online income, then hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're dropping real strategies, tips, and motivation every single week to help you achieve your financial goals. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Remember, creating and selling online courses is one of the best ways to build passive income, escape the 9 to 5, and achieve true financial freedom. I'll catch you in the next video.